Are you looking for an easy to pack solution for blemish prone skin? Meet our Flawless Clarity Kit, the perfect solution to pack in your carry-on. Just 5 steps, 4 for the morning, 3 for the night. We have our multi-award-winning Flawless Cleanser, our first ever product and the perfect single cleanse for those of you with blemish prone skin. It won't clog pores, it won't deplete your skin barrier, but it will get everything off. Next, we have Flawless Moisturiser Intense. This has been beyond successful for us. We have now won 4 awards with this product. It is the perfect product to support your skin barrier on your Access journey to sort your skin out, won't clog your pores, and contains just an incredible array of ingredients for bright, healthy, supported skin. Then we have our SPF, an essential for everyday use, even for those of you who are scared of sunscreen because it's broken you out in the past. This will not. It contains 5% niacinamide. It's our serum and a sunscreen. So rest assured you're going to be protected, but not clogged. And then we come on to the magical actives. We have our Flawless Neutralising Gel. This is our TikTok viral sensation. This is multi-award winning and is really the perfect product for the morning because it helps tackle those inflamed bumps, it helps clear clogged pores, and it helps tackle those pesky dark marks. So really tackling all the points in your blemish skin problem. And finally, we have our Flawless Nightly Serum, which is a fantastic multifunctional retinoid that contains azelaic acid as well, and is really an overnight game changer for problem skin. Bright, clear skin lies ahead.